Hey Captain's Crew, Captain Panda here, back again with another YouTube video for you guys, and today we are unboxing Bray Wyatt and the Fiend version of Bray Wyatt today, guys. So let's go ahead and start off with normal Bray Wyatt here, that I have off to the side here. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this Wyatt first, and then we're going to get to the Fiend version of Bray Wyatt. So forgive me here, guys. I don't have a tripod. Well, I do have a tripod, but I don't have it set up. So we're gonna have to be dealing with one-headed recording today, because my piece I was using to hold my phone disappeared. So does it require scissors? Yes, it does. I'll be right back with some scissors, guys. I'm back, guys, and I finally have some scissors. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and cut the package of Bray Wyatt open here. Forgive me, guys, I have to switch hands. I'm right-handed. Okay, where was I? There's tape there. Ooh, this is so hard with one hand. Where's my tripod? Where's my GoPro piece that I was using for my tripod? Did not break on me. Doo-doo-boo. That was the... Seriously, that was... Oh, nope, never mind. To say that was seriously the only piece of tape on there? Nope. As you can see, guys, from the back half of the packaging, you can read all this when you get your own Bray Wyatt, but it basically states where he lives, how much he weighs, and things like that. So let's continue the unboxing video as promised. So guys, gotta get really close here. Come on. Well, I'll be right back, guys, when I finally get Bray Wyatt's packaging open. Alright, guys, I got Bray Wyatt, the first Bray Wyatt, out of the packaging, so we're basically gonna go ahead and pop him out here, which I need 2 hands for, so I'll be right back again. Well, as you can tell, guys, I finally got Bray Wyatt out of his packaging, and so this is what his head sculpt looks like. You know, basic, typical Bray Wyatt head sculpt. He has head movement, but barely any, since I haven't opened up, since I have had this Bray Wyatt for a while now. So yeah, he has arm movement, shoulder movement. He has an entire arm function. So yeah, you can also move his chest, and his legs, knees, feet, all that good stuff. So yeah, he also has the heel hurt gloves, which that Bray Wyatt always loves to use. Oh, stand up. Oh dear. That Bray Wyatt always uses for this character. Sorry that I'm having my flash on, guys. My room light isn't really bright. He comes with 4 different hand styles. Well, yeah, 4 different hands. He has this little creepy guy that comes with him, which I think you're gonna have to buy the rest from like Ringside Collectibles. But we're gonna go ahead and move non-Fiend Bray Wyatt. Oh, stand up, out of the way with his hands and his creepy little puppet. Now moving over to the Fiend, his packaging is much easier to open. And all it says is basically all this stuff on the back. You can get John Cena, The Rock, or Drew McIntyre. So yeah. He isn't as flexible as is the counterpart, which comes in the Elite box. But yeah. And by the way, guys, you can get these at Walmart, Target, wherever your closest store is. So yeah, I believe these came from like Walmart or Target. I don't know. Whew. Sorry that I'm talking really soft here, guys. It is late in the night where I'm at, so forgive me. But here is the Fiend Bray Wyatt. He has a nice, a nice head sculpt. He has the tattoos, the elbow and the arm movements. He has the hand movements. His knees bend at the knee. Yeah. He doesn't have foot movement, but you can turn in his entire foot, but you can't, bend the ankle. So yeah. You can turn the hip, you can move the shoulder and knee. Elbow, not knee. But let me go ahead and turn this back on. But yeah, that's all I gotta say about the Fiend Bray Wyatt and normal Bray Wyatt. If you want to see these two in action, go over to ECT Wrestling down in the comment. Not down in the comments, down in the description. I will leave a link to that channel. That is my other channel, which I am now starting to do stop motion animation on there with action figures. So please stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Hold on, before I go, make sure you slash that like button with your pirate sword, shoot down the evil subscriber button ship, and return the notifications bell bird to the queen of YouTube. Otherwise, you're not going to get another letter that the captain is in the docks looking for new crew members. So, until then, all these guys have to say goodbye. And I'll see you guys in the next unboxing video. Peace.